morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. So, this video is I shared my thoughts about sensitive technical issues. Imagine a scenario where an image of a religious figure like Jesus Christ or Mary, Mother of Jesus, is placed side by side with a phallic image. So is this an ethical issues? Yes, I believe it's an ethical issues because religious figures are considered scared and deeply meaningful to many people. Placing them text to something that can be seen as inappropriate or disrespectful may offend believers and hurt their feelings. Even if someone claims it is for art or freedom of expression, it can still cross the line when it disrespect the beliefs of others. Ethics is just about what we are free to do, but also about being respectful and considerate of other many people's values. Now, this whether is a right or wrong depend on what religions you belong to. In some ways, yes, different religious individuals have different beliefs and levels of sensitivity. For example, many Christians would find this very offensive, while someone who is not religious did not see it as a big issue. However, I think it's not only about religion, it's also about respect, empathy, and understanding. Even if we don't share the same beliefs, we should still be mindful of how our actions can affect others. So, in conclusion, this situation is an ethical issue because it involves respect for religious beliefs. While opinions may vary depending on religion, showing respect, sensitivity should always be important. And that's all for my thoughts. That's all. Thank you.